how to sign out of Netflix on any smart TV. First, you will load up the Netflix app. Once you have loaded the app, then here what we need to do is to click on or hover over our profile icon in the top right, and once you have hovered over it, then you want to select Get Help. From here you will see these options, and you just want to go all the way down until you see the option Sign Out. It's going to tell you sign out of your Netflix account on this device. We will click on it, and then it's going to ask us if we are sure, so you just want to go to yes and click on yes. Once you have selected that, then it should sign you out and then ask you to log back in if you want to continue using Netflix. And that is basically how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Make sure you leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.